Hi, this is Jay Donnell reporting live from the 2014 Bioenergy Conference and Expo in the Omni Hotel at the CNN Center in Atlanta, Georgia, USA. It's the first of two live broadcasts we'll be doing today. We had four yesterday, and today we're lucky enough to be joined by John Foote of Morbark, and this presentation today will be sponsored by Morbark. John, it's good to see you today. Can you tell us how you've been doing at the show?
Jay, good morning. Thank you. It's been a very dynamic show. We've been very happy to be here. We came last year and we look forward to next year as well.
John, can you tell us a little bit about what your company does and why it's important for you all to be here today?
Morbark is a family-owned business. We started in 1957. We're an equipment manufacturer, so we have about 1 million square foot under roof. And we manufacture probably the most extensive line of biomass processing equipment in the industry. We make sawmill equipment, whole tree chippers, hand-fed chippers, tub grinders, horizontal grinders, slow-speed shredders. We have a material handling equipment and screening equipment. And we have an equity position with a gasification company. So almost everything we do can be related to biomass energy.
Why is it important for you to be at a face-to-face conference like this in a day and age where social media and emails kind of seem to rule the industry?
We come to events like these for three primary reasons. The first is to sell and educate. So we have an opportunity to talk to existing Morbark customers and also to educate potential customers on Morbark's chipping and grinding solutions for their bioenergy needs. The second reason we come to events like these are to learn. You know, we attended seminars all day yesterday, and the speakers were fantastic. The rooms were full. The audiences had great questions. So we learned a lot yesterday for our own business also. And thirdly, we come to events like this to support. So we're supporting the industry. We're supporting Wood Energy Magazine, which we have great respect for. And we have one of our customers, Bill Gaston, with Wood Resource Recovery. He's going to be one of the keynote speakers this morning. So we're here to support him. He's going to talk about the connection of urban wood waste and biomass energy and his collection and processing through his Morbark equipment. And he's selling about 500,000 tons of biomass energy every year.
All right, John, thanks for being here today. Have a great show.
Thank you very much, Jay.
Our next guest is going to be William Strauss. William, can you tell us a little about your presentation yesterday? I've heard really good things walking around on the floor and heard about how great it was. Can you just give us a little brief summary of how it went?
Well, thanks. I hope it was a good presentation. Essentially, what we talked about is the industrial wood pellet market, which, as some of you know, is a rapidly emerging space in the wood bioenergy sector. So what we talked about is what it takes to do a good project. What it takes to be successful. You need good design, good equipment, and good operations. And so what we did is we went through some of the details of how to build a successful wood pellet manufacturing project for export. We thought that the questions were very good in the audience. We think there's a very high level of attendees here, some pretty smart people who know what they're talking about. And as usual at these conferences, we provide some information, but we also learn stuff. We've learned a lot of interesting things from some of the attendees as well on how to do best practices in this sector.
William, can you tell me how many events do you usually attend that are like this per year?
Our company probably attends 5 or 6 maybe conferences per year. Similar to this, some are more concentrated right on the industrial wood pellet sector, some are more just in the forest products industry. In various uses of wood fiber. So this is one of the better events we've been to. We've found it very focused, very interesting, and like I said, a very high level of attendee quality here.
All right, William, thanks for being here today.
All right, thank you very much.
That's going to wrap up our first live broadcast from the Bioenergy Conference and Expo in the Omni Hotel at the CNN Center in Atlanta, Georgia, USA. Please make sure to check in back with us at 10 a.m. for our last live broadcast of the day. Until then, this is Jay Donnell.